Okay, so hey guys, welcome to my first Avatar World roleplay. So today is gonna be like a Descendants Wicked Wonderland roleplay, and it's gonna be red and pink. They go to school and then they come back from school and find something special in the room. I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get started. Okay, I got to get these kids up for school. Um, let's just check myself in the mirror. Okay. Alright, so let's go get these kids up for school. Red. Pink. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Huh. Yes? Today is your first day at Oregon Prep. Oh, yeah. And you're going with your sister Pink. Oh, just making everything worse. What'd you say? Nothing. Pink, get up. Oh my god, it's just you. You have to get up. You're going to your first day at Oregon Prep. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Alright, so y'all go to the bathroom, get all your stuff ready, and then y'all can go to school. And I'll just be in my room. Okay, Mom. Alright. Okay. So I'm just gonna do some quick makeup in my room. Pink, are you excited for school? Yeah, are you? I don't know. Okay, whatever you say. Alright, let's just go get our stuff from the... Okay, so you can have that part of the sink, and I'll just brush my hair. Okay, let me brush my hair too real quick. Alright, are you ready to go? Yep. Okay, Mom, we're ready to go. Alright, you can go. I'll just be at home waiting for y'all to come back. Okay, whatever you say. Bye. 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 Wait, Pink. What's that glowy thing right there? Y'all, go to school! Okay. I guess we'll check it out when we come back. Alright, Pink, let's go to school. Yeah, let's go. Wow, this place is crazy. Yeah, it is. Let's see what's for lunch today. Okay, so we got some spaghetti for lunch. Okay, let's just go to class. Alright, Pink, class hasn't quite started yet, so let's go sit down. Yeah, let's go. Okay, perfect. There's 2 seats for us right here. Oh, yes, my seat is red. Bro, sit in your seat, Red. Okay, Pink. Okay, hi class. Welcome to Oregon Prep. So at this school, it's just a nice, cool school. We have a lot of students, and it's just like a regular high school. So starting class, we're gonna do some. We're just gonna learn about like a cycle. Cycle is like this. Okay, yeah. Look like that's the bell. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this class, and now y'all can go upstairs, and next class you have is probably art or music. It depends what's on your schedule. Now get out. Goodness gracious. Alright, Pink, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay, Pink, this upstairs area isn't as crazy as downstairs, I guess. Yeah, you're right, but we have art, so let's go. Okay, stop rushing me, fatty. Hey, you don't say that to me, okay? Alright, whatever you say. Guys, welcome to art class. So we're gonna just learn about lines and yeah. Okay, so we have like a parallel line and then squiggly line and then circular line and then blah blah blah. You gotta. Okay, class. Looks like that's your cue to get out of my class. You can go eat lunch and then after that the bell rings and then you go back out. You go back home. So bye. All right, Red. Let's go. All right, Red. Let's go eat some lunch, and then we can wait for the bell to ring, and then we can go home. Yes, finally, this day has been a long day. Okay, the lunchroom is this way. I think it was when we came in the school. Yes, Pink. Gosh. You act like I don't know directions to my own school. Well, sometimes you just act like a dummy. Pink? We are not going to fight in the middle of a school hallway. We can finish this when we're at home, okay? Jeez. Alright. Whatever, I don't care. Okay, Pink, now we have our food, we can go sit down. Yeah. Alright, let's just eat this food real quick and then we can like just go and wait till the bell rings. Yes, finally, I'm ready to go home. This food actually in Order on Prep is actually good. Yeah, I know, right? It's actually good, better than I thought. Oh, Red, it's time to go back home. Yes, finally, let's go. Okay, Red. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat the pizza that we got. Yeah. Yeah. I think it was 2, so we can both have one. Yeah. I'm starving. Cause like it wasn't really filling the spaghetti, cause like it was only spaghetti and sauce. Why is the fridge open? Red, did you do that? No, bruh. My gosh. Just eat if you're hungry. Okay, gosh, you're so rude. Wow, that was actually really delicious. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go quickly say hi to Mom, and then we can do whatever we want. Yeah. Hi, Mom. Oh, hey guys. Y'all are back from school? Yeah, we are. We're just gonna go to our rooms and like chill. Alright, you can do that. I'm just gonna like go to my bed and watch some TV. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna get freshen up and take a quick shower. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna go to my bed. Alright, so let's just take a quick bath and then I'm just gonna go chill. This is so relaxing. Feels so nice to be in here. Okay, so I'm done with my showering, so I'm gonna wash my hands. I might get my hair a quick blow dry. And then we're gonna do some of this. Just wipe my hair. And then give it a quick brush. Okay, so I'm all freshened up after school, and now I'm gonna go chill. Hold on, wait a minute. What is that? What is what, Red? What is this glowy thing? Yeah, wait, what is that? Hold on, wait. Is that the pocket watch? No, this can't be. How was it back? I don't know, but we need to go to the future to see what's happening. No, Pink, are you crazy? That's not a good idea. Come on, Red, we have to. But, like, that doesn't make sense. Like, we can't. We have to be ready. We have to. Come on, Red, we have to. Like, actually, I don't trust this thing. Give me that. No, you give me that. No, give it to me. No, what is happening?